Hey, Robert Murray here, and yes, I am running my own paddle session, and in this video I want to talk to you about, let me throw that away, about why so many people fail online and what I've done to solve this. And if you hold on for a moment, I'm going to give you this absolutely free training that any single person, whether you're 70, whether you're non-tech, anyone can do, and it's so simple. And I've got a training on Thursday that I'm inviting you to. So cue the intro. Okay, so why am I here today doing this video on the paddle court? Well, you've probably seen I've got a paddle ball machine that we do some sessions with, and we run drills ourselves. We've got 100 balls, and like most things in life, it's practice makes perfect. And I'll do a warm-up drill like you've probably just seen some video there of me doing. Then I'll do some overhead drill, then I'll do some smash drills, then I'll do some bajalas, some bandecas, some fibordas. Yes, these are all Spanish paddle shots. And it will be repetition, 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 learning, and getting your body into a place where it's unconscious consciousness. And online marketing is a very, very similar process. So I came from a football background, and I just went into, well, if I practice hard, then I'll play hard in the game. That was what I was always taught, and that's what I've done in my online business career, building funnels, building websites. And that's why I've been very successful, because I'm due diligent and I work hard and I make sure that I understand every single thing I'm doing, and then I put it into practice, and I do it every single day, and I repeat. So I just kind of wanted to bring you onto the paddle court this morning just to give you an idea of this is what it takes online to succeed. Affiliate marketing, funnel building, website building, running ads. There's a lot of time and effort. But what if I could give you a solution that we've worked through over the last year? We've beta tested with many people from, as I said, 70-year-olds are able to do this. And we've also gone another step over that year. We've realized that human beings are human beings, right? And I've been there myself. I bought a product, I've never implemented anything. So we've even solved that issue, where we now have got a solution. So I don't want to give too much away, because I want you to join the training. So the link will be popping up around here somewhere. Join us on Thursday night at 6 p.m. If you're watching this after that, then there will be a replay. You will still get an opportunity to get access to this training. But I really want to serve you. I want to take away all of this. I want to take away you having to work. I've been working a year and a half now in paddle, running 2, 3, 4 sessions a week, practice. I've had 2 coaches. One of my coaches down on the bottom court at the moment, Victor. And I want to take away all of that learning curve for you and give you, here, this is how you earn commission, this is how you earn profits, plug this in, and we've got a few solutions for you, and then off you go. I want to take away all the stress of worrying about how to build a funnel, and worrying about how to build pages and link the pages and payment portals and Facebook ads and Google ads and YouTube ads and social media and all the other shit that actually gets in your way. I want to take that all away from you, give you one very simple solution, one very simple way of doing it, and all I would ask from you is to spend 5 to 10 minutes a day working on this. Okay, and that's it. So as I say, link will be in the description. Very short video today. I'm going to get back and work on some additional shots. I may show you some other shots that I'll be playing once I'm warmed up. But you know, please, I urge you that it doesn't matter what this is, okay? And again, I've talked to people about this in my inner circle, in my mastermind, and they're like, oh no, I don't want it because of this. Take all those reservations out of your head, turn up for the training, turn up excited, and I'm going to show you how you can generate profits every single day within 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Also around me there'll be other videos popping up. This is not my usual video, so there'll be other videos popping up, and click on the like, comment, tell me what it is that you practice as much as I do with paddle, and I'll see you on Thursday's training. Alright, bye for now.